The 400-watt high bay Mercury vapor lamp. Lit up on the first week of September 2022 in honor of the month of September, when Neil Diamond came up with that song, September Morn. My memories go back to the year 1994, as I first tinkered with commercial lighting and yard lamps. I purchased from Hugh M. Woods, the hardware store, a 175-watt Mercury vapor lamp designed to be installed on the outside of a barn or in a large backyard. But here finally I have a 400-watt warehouse high bay Mercury vapor lamp. I am just a lighthouse keeper, shining the light, nothing more. This is one of several high bays installed in my bedroom in various places. And once in a blue moon I ignite one of them, like this one. The light output is very bright white and bluish. Evidently the lamp is brand new, with only a couple of 100 hours of usage. Now it is powering up the warm-up time, and the ballast is creating that extra kick of arc voltage to sustain the light thereof. Hung up on a nylon rope, multi-stranded for safety. It could be on a chain, but this one is on a nylon rope. Strong enough and safe enough. I have a couple of high bays that are hung up on a pulley. If you can hear the hum of this ballast, it's not very loud, and the camera barely picks up the sound. But it's there. Some older ballasts are much louder due to the separation or the expansion and contraction continually over the years of the core and coil, and depending on how waterlogged or worn out the capacitor is, whereby the transformer has to work harder to maintain the arc. The new lamps don't have that problem. This one is not that loud, it's quiet, but you can still hear the sound thereof. The light output is not very bright in the sense that it is more on the ultraviolet wavelength, away from the visual spectrum. The visual cortex is not sensitive enough to detect the sun rays of this lamp that are more ultraviolet due to the clear lamp. This is a General Electric Mercury Vapour mogul base lamp. And the warehouse was purchased definitely from a warehouse old stock supply. Evidently on the shelf for a couple of decades, but kept in new condition, never used. The effulgent effect of this eerie and ghostly light output that haunted me throughout the years, able to grow plants if it is utilized indoors, and outdoor ample light for the avenue or boulevard, even the parking lot, in front of a Kmart, or even a cloverleaf ramp. Usually they are 1000 watts, but this one is 400 watts. So there we have it. The memory of what once was. The harsh glare thereof, of Hg, mercury, and argon gas contained in an industrial quartz arc tube, jacketed by borosilicate Pyrex-like glass. A piece of the sun in ultraviolet light. The poem goes like this. Are you dark, damp, as in a pit? Ignite our new arc lamp in violet. Again, at night. Are you dark, damp, as in a pit? Ignite our new arc lamp in violet. The univacue aorta, the shining thereof. in the month of September 2022. The high bay bulged tubular, glory thereof. And thank you for watching.